Hey guys, I'm Lipstick Nick, and these are my kit essentials. First thing I have is something that I discovered a while ago, and now it's like if I don't have it, I freak out. I have to buy in bulk. This is palette paper. So it would traditionally be used for painting, but it's great for artists, especially if you're somebody that does a lot of weddings or bridal or anything like that. This is amazing for laying down mascara, eyeliner, any product, your foundation, skincare, anything like that. Make it all messy. You're just gonna go ahead and peel it off. You can crumble it up, throw it away really fast. There's another clean sheet right underneath. So it just basically eliminates having to clean your palette after every single makeup. Saves you some time. My favorite setting spray of all time, this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This mist is different from others because it is continuous. So it kind of looks like a hairspray bottle, and we always joke that it definitely comes out like that too, but having a nice continuous spray allows for really even application. It's great for hydration or to set your makeup, whatever you want to do. Really amazing to just refresh and set. I'm feeling like I need a little refreshing right now too, so I'm just gonna go ahead. It smells delicious. Next up we have Jeffree Star. This is a velour lip scrub. So this one right here is the Rainbow Sherbet. So if you or anyone, your clients, need to just get rid of any dead skin around the lips. If they're dry, they need to be rehydrated. Just take a little bit of this onto a Q-tip, give it to them, you can do it. And the cool thing about these, you can actually eat them. So the different flavors, they taste delicious. Also, if you're hungry, want a little snack, something like that. No, but they're actually great and people love them. It's something fun to do with your clients, and it's also gonna help to exfoliate their lips, so it's great. My favorite eyelash glue of all time. This is by a brand called Kalas. So it's latex free, ammonia free, really great for people like myself who have sensitive eyes. So you can use this on anybody. It has just as much stick, just as much hold, but it's definitely more sensitive for the eye area. I also love it because it has this little applicator brush, so you actually brush it on versus squirting it out of the tube like most traditional glues. Less messy. So I've had Smith's lip balm in my kit for, I want to say like 8 years now. I used to do the tin, and now I've converted to this little guy. It's great because it squeezes out, so I can put this on my palette paper and just keep it super sanitary for everyone. And I love this one, it's strawberry scent. So I like grabbing things that are kind of traditional scents like vanilla, strawberry, or unscented, just so that nobody has a problem with it, but it smells really fresh. My all-time favorite moisturizer, this is the Embryolisse. This is their original OG, just the traditional, you'll see this little blue E in the background. I've had this in my kit for many, many years. It's great for all skin types from oily to super dry, super hydrating, but it goes on like a lotion, so it doesn't feel greasy at all. Alright, last up we have my all-time favorite gel liner. This is the Morphe gel liner in the color Jet. So it's super rich black, it dries matte versus shiny, and it's only $9, so it's really inexpensive for your makeup kit. And as makeup artists, you guys know we blow through these like crazy, so really great to have something that I love for such a good price point. Hope this was helpful for you guys. I've been doing makeup for 10 years, and these are some of my most tried and true products.